Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's a very special day and a special video because in honor of reaching over 500 subscribers, I have decided to do a little giveaway to thank you for all your support. So I'm going to show you what I'm giving away and then I'll tell you how you can qualify to win. So the first thing that I have is this journal that I built, and I'll do a flip through of this. I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. It's got a closure on the outside that goes all the way around. And it just ties, and it's being held together by this twine. All the signatures are, so they can come out if you want them to. It's got this little book plate that says journal in there and some really pretty papers and things that I layered on the front and a little butterfly. And I'll do a flip through of this, but I wanted to show you that I have some other things that I was going to offer you as well. So let me start with showing you a couple of things. So first thing I have is a series of book pages, and I have several pages each for you. This is from a Chinese English dictionary, so it's got some really interesting pages in it. These are just it's just an old English language book with several book pages of that. And this one is Russian language. Oh, you can see the Russian wording and languages here. These are German. This is from a German textbook. And these are from a really old dictionary. And there's several pages of each one of these book pages. So we've got the book pages for you, and then I've got a bunch of pages or sheets rather of this mulberry handmade paper, which is really, really cool. It can be used for so many different things. You can use it to layer ephemera that you're making. You can use it as pages in a journal. You can use it for a whole lot of different things. And let's see, we've got a few more things. Let's see, we've got a set of card holders, and these are RFID resistant, which means that if you put your credit card in these, nobody can steal your identity. And here's what they look like. We've got a lady, I'm not sure what that is, some kind of a cog, a bottle of champagne, and another lady, and this globe type thing. I'm not sure what this is. So these are all card holders, and you can use these to give away gift cards to people. That's an option of what you can use these for, as well as using them for little wallets. I also have some colorful things for you to share. This is a piece of cool looking mesh that has got so many multiple colors. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but there's all these different colors, and you can use it for whatever color your project is. This will work for it because it's got multiple colors. And we've got some cool looking different colored umbrellas that you can put in your projects. We've got some confetti glitter that can be used to decorate pages and make them more festive. And we got a whole bunch of little feather pieces that are all different colors, so they will work for a boho journal or anything that requires a lot of color. So nice and colorful, fun things. And then I've got a bunch of paint strips here. I'll just show you real quick some of the colors. I tried to pick out of the stack I had different colors from different families. So I've got a bunch of those, and those can be used for making bookmarks, tags, you can even stamp on them. You can do anything with these paint strips. These are very versatile. So we've got the paint strips. The next thing that we have is some tissue paper. We've got this floral tissue paper, which is really nice. And we've got this blue. I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's kind of a metallic-y blue. It's really, really pretty tissue paper here. The next tissue paper that we have is got a gold tint to it, and it's really, really pretty. So there's 3 pieces of tissue paper for you. And then we have a series of napkins, and I'll show you the different ones that we have for you. I've got this floral one, another floral one that's got cherries, another one with flowers. Can't beat flowers, can you? This one's a kitchen-y looking one. It's kind of fun. This one's paisley. And this one also got flowers on it. Another thing that I wanted to share was some trims and laces that I've got. Here I've got some in a little baggie, and I can show you. We've got some sparkly silver string. And we've got some really pretty blue trim with pink and blue flowers on it. And we have a piece of trim that's got a few different colors on it, pink, blue, and tan. And we have this emerald ruffle, which is pretty neat looking. And we've got a few different laces. I don't want to unravel them to show you, but they're really pretty. A piece of yellow ribbon and a couple of other types of lace. So we've got all of those things. All these things, including the journal, are going to be given away to the person who is so fortunate as to be chosen to win. So now I'll do a little flip through of the journal so that you can see what's inside. Here's the closure. It's a relatively simple journal. There's a lot of writing space. There's a pocket on this side, and there's several pieces of ephemera in this front pocket. Here's a little pocket in the front with a couple of pieces of ephemera in there. And we've got this page with this lady on it. Just show you what we've got. Book page, a little bag with a journaling card inside, a little tag, or a journaling card. No, it's a tag here. And here is a cool looking pocket that's got ephemera of all sorts in there in each of the 4 pockets. Yes, 4 pockets we've got. So that's that. There's another pocket with some more ephemera writing on. Some tickets along the side. These are coffee dyed pages that I made. More pocket, more ephemera. There's lots more room for writing, lots more room for decorating, but yet there's a few things that you can enjoy to start out with. Another one of these little 4 pocket pieces of ephemera. More pockets, more ephemera. There you go. More journaling cards. Here's a piece of that mulberry paper. Another couple round journaling cards. And this one that's shaped like a tie. There's a few that are shaped like a tie in here. And they came from me making pockets. Here's another pocket with lots of fun pieces of ephemera in there. Bookmark, a journaling tag that looks like a book, a fish, another pocket, more ephemera, another tie. There's the back of the tie. These book pages are from a book from the 1800s. It's a Charles Dickens book called Great Expectations. So that's kind of fun. There's another big pocket with some fun ephemera in there. This one's got a bird on it. It's really pretty. So that's the end of the third signature. Let's see, how many signatures do we have? We've got one signature, two signatures, three, and this one's the fourth signature. Each one has a little tab on it. You can see the little tabs. So we've got another pocket with more ephemera inside. This one's really pretty. And this is a little pocket with a couple of little tiny pieces of ephemera in there. Fun. Another tie back. Another couple of round journaling cards. Mulberry paper. Coffee dyed. Book page, another pocket with some very cool looking cards and tags. This one's a little, got some Russian writing inside there. That's fun. And we've got a little pocket over here with some little tiny things in there. And then this is the back cover with some more tags, a little card you can write in, lots of writing space, lots of opportunity for more decorating and more embellishment. And then the back just says vintage on there. And that's that. So those are all the things that you could win if you want to join and participate in the giveaway. All that you have to do to enter the drawing is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. In about a week or so, I'll make another video where I randomly choose the winner and announce the winner. When you hear your name announced, email me at gmcgrady@gmail.com, which I'll tell you that one again and I'll put it in the description box. Keep in mind that I'm not going to post any kind of link to any of the comments saying that you've won. I've heard that scammers will do that sometimes, and I want you to know that it's not me if you do get a link, so don't click on any. When you heard your name announced as a winner, you will have 48 hours to email me to claim your prize. If 48 hours goes by and I don't receive an email, I'll go ahead and choose another winner in another video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I want to thank all of you for your love and support, for your likes, for your comments, for your subscriptions, and perhaps you may win a fun box of goodies to play with and create more paper crafts with. And I hope that you do enjoy it. And thank you for watching this, and I wish you all the best. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.